Today we're taking a look at Dewalt's Atomic SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. Now this is a cool little tool if you do a lot of small holes. This isn't something that you're going to be coring big holes in concrete with. It's more for anchor bolts, things like that. It has two functions on it, a drilling function and the hammer drill, which is the SDS Plus part. So this is the kit. It comes with two batteries and a charger. You're getting the 2 amp hour batteries. They're nice and slim and they keep it nice and compact. The handle on this, you loosen it, pull it right off if you want, and there's some positive stops all across the front of the nose. So you can position this in different spots. The nice improvement on this is that because you have those positive stops, when you tighten the handle, it can't accidentally rotate. Whereas before, tools like this, you would tighten the handle, but it wouldn't have the positive stop, so it could still spin on you a little bit. Now there is a depth of adjustment on this as well. So we just loosen this and we can pull that forward and then we tighten it up and that tightens this depth of adjustment as well. So the bits, just SDS Plus bits, they clip right in and they're locked in place. To pull them out, you pull the collar back and pull the bit out. Super easy to use, great for drilling into concrete. It's not super loud. This also has a forward and a reverse on it. And we have some shock absorption in the handle itself. Comes with a belt hook. The tool is brushless. It has the Perform and Protect on it as well. It's nice and light and compact, perfect for those small jobs. This does not do any chipping. Don't confuse it with the larger models like this guy here. This is more for chipping as well as drilling. This one, the Atomic, is just for drilling. All right guys, hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.